say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind, on my mind go. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the booty, but the booty bendy. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, and my word is right, baby, she gon' save me. Cause she give me butterflies.
Hi guys, I'm awake now, so I'm going to do my Bible study and start getting ready. Class is at 10. It's currently 8:14. I typically get up around 9, but because I'm vlogging, I have to be up earlier than 9. So that's what we're doing today.
Go to your room. It was a statement to try to talk out the situation. The fact was still there. I had sent my child away from me as a solution to our conflict. May my heart be reminded to choose and model you in your ways. Consider reading these PT.
Sprinkled with Christ's blood to make us clean, and our bodies have been washed with pure water. Let us hold.
And you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If it's so toxic to me, what am I?
I want to say a very huge thank you to Kiwibird for sending me one of their electric toothbrushes. I was so excited when I received this package.
Over and over, you keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. For me, you're like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling?
One thing to know about the Kiwibird electric toothbrushes are they have 5 modes and 3 intensities for clean mode, and their long battery lives. So if you give it one full 6-hour charge, it can last you 300 days after charge. The best features about the Kiwibird electric toothbrush is that it features 2 layers soft bristles that effectively remove tartar and plaque buildup without causing any damage to your gums. It is specifically designed for hypersensitivity. It also is equipped with smart pressure sensors that prevent you from brushing too hard. This feature protects your gums and enamel, ensuring full protection for sensitive gum and teeth. I also must add that my all-time favorite thing about this package is the fact that they include a travel case for you. I do lots of sleepovers, and that is going to come in so handy for when I'm packing and I don't have to just put my brush inside my bag just as it is. So head on over to the Kiwibird electric toothbrush website, and trust me, you're gonna thank me for this. You can choose your favorite color and use my discount code that I'll be mentioning in the next clip. So Kiwibird is an electric toothbrush company, and they were kind enough to send me one of their electric toothbrushes so I can show you. This is what the packaging came looking like. It's just simple and beautiful. Then you get a bag, a bag for keeping the electric toothbrush, and then you get a charger to charge the toothbrush. I think the sun is way too bright, but you get a charger to charge the toothbrush. I've never tried electric toothbrushes, so obviously I'm about to start with this particular toothbrush, so expect to see it in almost every vlog. The second box is the actual toothbrush heads. So I got 2 toothbrush heads, and I took the rubber out of one of them. This is what they typically look like. And then the actual bag that you can keep the toothbrush in. I've never seen any toothbrush company that gives you a bag or like a case, the actual case that you can keep the toothbrush in for when you're traveling. It comes with a Kiwibird thing written on it. It's so cute. It has like a suede feel. The last thing in the box is the actual electric toothbrush. So many cool colors on the website, but this is the one that stood out to me more. Kiwibird is having a Black Friday sales this year. In addition to your order, you get 4 replacement toothbrushes and you get 1 free mouthwash, and you can use Nadia for 30% off the whole website and thank me later. I'm going to have links in the description box to the Kiwibird website and to this toothbrush, and don't forget to use the code Nadia for 30% off the whole website. Okay guys, so it's 8:51. I'm about to do my hair, put myself in the school mode, pack a bag, and then we can go to class. I'll be installing this hair. I did this hair yesterday. Yes, I did it by myself. I got a closure and got the hair from Hair Vlassi, so I'll put the link in the description box below, but I got the closure off of AliExpress. This sun is sunning. Oh my god. Shh, mind your business. Mind your business. Ignore the wires thing. I was filming and I wanted to hide it. So while this is melting, I'm going to pack a bag for school. I have zero idea of what I want to wear for class, but I have like things that I can just make work. First, I need to go downstairs for my jeans because I washed it 2 days ago. I don't know if it's dry though, but alright guys, so I'm almost ready. My hair is pissing me off because it is not staying straight. So I'm going to make something to eat so I don't get hungry in class. I'm going to go downstairs and make a quick 1-pack noodle with egg. Indomie is cooking. I have a leftover donut from when I went to work, so I'm going to have that before I have the Indomie. the thousands of things in the background. But this is what I look like for class. I just wore this from Vinted and my Zara jeans, my favorite, and then my white Air Forces that comes in so handy. I'm ready for class now. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was like my typical morning routine. This is exactly what I do. I'm late, but yeah. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. Make sure you're liking the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment of this emoji so I know you made it to this part of the video. Love you so much. Bye.